If you're looking for free signals, if you're looking for a $5,000 funded account, then you have come to the right place, because today with the Syre community, we have discovered the best way that you can essentially get free signals, get a funded account, and with that simulated funded account, if you make profit, you're actually going to get paid out on it. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but today we're going to be talking about smart charts. So let's just jump straight into the video. So here with the Syre community, we have found the best way to make money in the Forex markets. And what I will say here is this is the best thing we have found so far because of a few reasons here, right? One, you pay $89, and if you don't like the service or you don't make profit, what you're actually going to do is get a 30-day money-back guarantee on that $89. So basically, it's risk-free. We can also see here that with that $89, they're going to give you a $5,000 trading account with no drawdown limits. So normally with prop challenges, with other things on the internet where you purchase big accounts, well, you're going to have drawdown limits. And if you hit those limits, then you essentially lose from that point. With this, again, risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee, but you're actually going to get no drawdown limits on this thing. And this is why it is so incredible. But how does this actually work? Well, Smartcharts have actually come up with a fantastic way to make money with the markets, as they have trained AI on thousands of hours of backtesting data to create strategies that are really profitable, and they can use those strategies to generate free signals for everyone involved with smart charts. So basically, you can access this from your phone, from your laptop, basically wherever you are, and you can get those signals into the Telegram group on the smart charts. And if we go over to smart charts, we can see here that this is the strategy working in motion. If we go over to this signal here on the left-hand side, we can see that this would have been where you get in, and then the take profit is going to be essentially down here. And as you can see, with that take profit, that was hit fantastically for massive amounts of pips on this Forex trade. Now, to get started, all you got to do is press the link in the description, guys. All you got to do is hit one of the buttons on the site, and then you are going to be sent to a screen like this. You can get your free smart charts trading signals here by joining the Syre community. Very, very easy. It's going to give you a screen like this, and then you are good to go. And then when you've joined the Telegram community here, as you can see, it's going to give you a bunch of free signals. So you can just join this now anyway and get those free signals. But I would highly advise just dropping the $89 on there, because if you don't make money over a month's period, right? And again, these are AI signals, so they're incredibly profitable. But in the rare case that you don't make money, you can get all of your money back that you invested, which is the $89, right? And you're also going to get that $5,000 account that you can trade with. If you make money on that simulated account, you're actually going to gain that profit in real life. They're actually going to pay you for making money from those trades. So that's fantastic. And then if you're happy from that point, you can scale up that account to as much as $50,000 and beyond. It's really up to you guys. But what I will say is the Smart Charts website, if we do look at it right here, is fantastic, okay? It's got a lot of different things that you can do here. We've got obviously the charts, we've got all of the strategies here that we can pick from. If we do just want to take manual signals and look at this on the platform, you can do so, or you can just get the best signals through the Syre community. It's really up to you guys, but I would highly recommend you check out Smart Charts, because as you can see here, these guys are dominating the trading space, and the platform is very, very easy to use. We can add indicators, we can do a lot of different things here. A lot of other platforms just aren't giving you. So fantastic stuff here, guys. Definitely check out Smart Charts. Definitely join the Syre community, because you're going to get those free signals. So again, guys, definitely go to the description, check out the Syre community, get involved here, because it's $89. And then if you don't make money, you get that money back. But if you get that $89 in, you're going to get a $5,000 account with zero drawdown limit. And you're also going to be keeping any of the profit that you make. So fantastic stuff from the Syre community. Just join us over there, because we are making so much money from Forex. Definitely check it out in the description. And that is basically going to be the video. So have a fantastic day. Drop a comment. Again, like the video as always. I'll see you in the next one.